I'm redoing the anchor roller assembly for my bigger anchor and for my new chain. So this is what we've come up with so far. This is the Kingston bow roller assembly. You notice I put in this chafe block in the back. My Manta swivel fits in just fine. That is the entire shank of my Vulcan anchor. If I can step over here, there she is. My secondary anchor behind the bailout bar. This is a heavy duty piece of equipment. Drilling the holes for that chafe block and those custom mounting holes, I used at least 2 drill bits for the 3/8 holes, and I think I used 2 drill bits for the 5/16 holes also. But the chafe blocks make it quieter, keep the chain from scraping, and we're adding a pipe to support the chain so it doesn't bounce around and get on the trampoline, and I'm going to relace the trampoline. So there's the new pipe. It's not mounted yet. This thing is so big that I ended up cutting out a little bit of fiberglass to make it fit, but there's still tons of room for it. It lines up like that. Let's see, there's the wind in my face, there's the sun in my face. Hopefully you can hear me over the wind, but this is just a short about the anchor, and I'm posting an anchor review. So like and subscribe. We could use the viewers. Thank you very much for watching, and you guys all have a beautiful day and enjoy the wonderful view of the water.